Click to enter the wallet interface in the lower right corner. Click Withdraw and then click Used. Now enter the withdrawal interface. In the withdrawal interface, enter the recharge address of the BB account in the first input box. Select the RC20 in the second input box and click the max at the back. The recharge address of the BB account only needs to be obtained by opening the BB platform, clicking Recharge, and clicking Copy Address. After obtaining it, enter it into the first input box of the. After the input is complete, click Withdraw in the lower right corner and confirm the withdrawal again. After confirmation, you will enter the verification code interface. After entering the corresponding verification code, confirm to complete the withdrawal. After completion, open the BB platform and W.